Welcome, I'm Chris Grenier. We are here at Loon Mountain in beautiful New Hampshire. It's the Bomb Hole Beatdown 2026.
There are over 200 competitors, $10,000 in gas giveaway, tons of prizes. We got live music after the contest. Spectators, you're gonna want to stick around all day. It's gonna be incredible. Thanks for making this event special. You guys rule. So we're going to start off with a really special award. And this is for the best park crew. And this goes to the Loon Park crew for putting the team on our back. Don't look at the words too close. We have another one-off award we're going to do, and that's for our judges. We have Judge of the Year, and that goes to Tyler Davis. Make some noise for the judges.
Hey, thanks to all the riders who came out and participated today. It was so awesome to watch. It was a super difficult decision figuring out pro class and open class events. Thank you guys.
All right, up next we have Furthest Travel. Furthest Travel. And this rider came all the way from Calgary, Alberta. They drove, I don't know how many hours it is.
40 hours.
40
One
hours.
day and 16 hours.
Tyson, get up here. We're getting into the Grom class here. We're going to start off with the Good Vibes MVP. And that goes to Dan, and Dad. What's your favorite trick, Dada? The
Most Heart Award. This is like, you know what, if you're gonna win something, having a big heart is fantastic.
Harley Ruffle.
Best style drum, that's a key word right there. The drums are out there ripping.
Everett Barnes. This next prize is Best Slam. Don't know if they're here or not. Where's Leo Eli?
All right, how's your son doing? Is he in the hospital?
No, he's home with the fresh cast.
All right, we're getting into the podium for Grom girls. Coming in third place, Indigo Einhorn, get up here. Second place, we got Zim Knack. Where's Zim Knack? Grom girls, get up here.
Okay, and in first place for Grom Class Girls, we got Anna Margiaha. Right in Grom Class Boys, all right, Groms. Listen up. Third place, Grayson. Where's Grayson? Grom Class Boys. Oh, awesome. Okay, in second place, we got Torrin Bennett. Where's Torrin Bennett? You made her all right here. That's that.
First place, Grom boys class. Make some noise for Everett Barnes.
Male and female guest trick, open class.
Yeah, so for women, we got Zahara Kagodi.
And then we got man Zach Anderson.
Open class women in third place. Listen, who we got?
We got Kayla Yates.
That working.
Working hard.
Okay.
Alright, in second place,
Here, just take, yeah, we'll just have top.
we got Mackenzie Bakovia.
Zahara Kagodi, first
Zahara
place.
Kagodi, first place.
Open class women.
Let's go! Alright, open class men. We're going right into third place. We got
Will.
Terrence.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Second place, open class men, Wade Barnes, where you at? First place, we got Phoenix!
We got the old head MVP. And that's Brandon Reese. Get on top of the podium. Hey, you're sorry about that. I don't know. 1 foot race champion, Wade Barnes.
Run through a wall award. Maddox medal. Maddox run through a wall.
All right, we got the Cole St. Martin Award going to CSM. He did a back 350 on the rail. One drop. Oh yeah. One land.
Cole St. Martin.
Let's start off best trick pro class women. This is Audrey Westbeard. Where's Audrey Westbeard? Audrey. We're gonna bring up best trick men as well. We're Joe McAvoy. All right, we're getting into third place pro class women. Give it up for Bean, aka Callan Wayne.
Second up in pro class women, we got Moon Rope Dog, Athena Coleman.
He followed her.
Sophia, bro.
Make some noise for pro class women. In second place, pro class men, we have Justin Capilla.
Follow you on Instagram.